Hello, welcome to the spring semester of nutrition. My name is Stephanie Buelna. I will be teaching your course this semester. I'm actually teaching two courses this spring, so if you email me, if you could let me know which section you are in, that would be helpful. So I'm teaching Bio 151 OL02 as well as Bio 151 OL03. Both classes are set up exactly the same, but it just helps me if you tell me which section you're in. So there is the book in the bookstore, or if you were instructed to buy the Connect code, that will work too. I don't use Connect for quizzes or exams, but there is an online book option with that. So if you were told to buy that one, we can make it work. If you've got the book, we'll make that work. But both of those are available in the bookstore. I'd like to do the welcome message by going over your syllabus for this semester. So this semester, I will be taking attendance. That is required by Iowa Western. I do not take that into consideration for your grade, but I do report that to Iowa Western. Again, my name is Stephanie Buelna. I am a master's prepared registered dietitian. I'm licensed in both Nebraska and Iowa, and I'm an international board certified lactation consultant. I am an adjunct instructor here. I do have a full-time job elsewhere, so I do not have a formal office on campus, but if you'd like to meet with me in person, we can make arrangements. Just let me know. You can call me, text me, or email me, whatever you prefer. Since this is an online course, everything is available online. Everything you will need is right on your web page. So if you look at the first week, let me scroll down. Our very first week, it tells you what to do each week. Read the syllabus this week, submit that to the Dropbox. All of this is on here. So the receipt of syllabus you'd sign, and you'd submit that to the Dropbox here. So you would just click on that, upload your file with your signed receipt. As soon as you've listened to the first lecture and read the Unit 1 material, then you would complete a quiz over what you learned. You have 3 attempts to take the quiz. You could work with a friend, you can use your notes, you can use your book. It is not timed, so take as much time as you need. The goal is to really understand the material and get 100% on it. And then also each week you will have a discussion board post. This week it's really easy. You just introduce yourself, your name, your major, and why you're taking this class. Last on each page, there will be a Q&A for the week. If you have questions such as, I can't find this, where's this at? Or a question about the material you learned, you can post it here anonymously, or you could include your name, either way. But then if you have the question, someone else in the class probably also has the question, and the whole class gets to benefit from that. So that is how each week is going to be set up. Everything in this course will be due by 10 o'clock on Sunday. So this week, everything needs to be done by January 13th at 10 o'clock. So back to the syllabus. This is the nutrition course. So nutrition is the study of basic nutrients, their relationship to health, which includes digestion, absorption, and metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in the human body. Additional topics are dietary planning for all ages, dietary exchanges, and other health-related diets, physical fitness, stress management, and food habits involving ethnic groups. There's no college-level science background required. The textbook is again in the bookstore, or if you have the Connect code, we can make that work. There's an online book there. The objectives for this course would be to assess the role of nutrition in human health, describe the human anatomical and physiological processes as they relate to nutrition status and needs, compare the impact of age, growth, and normal development of nutritional requirements, assess nutritional health risks, and determine treatment strategies, and evaluate health promotion strategies and disease prevention theories across the lifespan. You should show up to class each week ready to learn. Print your lecture notes prior to watching them. Assignments should be submitted to the Dropbox unless alternate arrangements have been made. When you email me, please allow 24 hours for a response and be sure to include your first and last name in the email. Cheating of any form will not be tolerated and will result in a grade of a 0 in the gradebook. Now, I just told you for your quizzes, you can work with a friend. So if you work with a friend on those, that would not be cheating. But for the exams, you should be working on your own. If special arrangements need to be made, it is your responsibility to let me know in advance. And again, late assignments will not be accepted generally. There may be exceptions made for a death in the family or medical emergencies. And also in this course, you may work ahead. Here is how the grading will go. There will be 4 exams. 3 exams, and then a cumulative final. The cumulative is worth more points. Quizzes. There will be 11 quizzes during the semester that are due at 10 o'clock on Sunday. Everything is actually posted already right now, so if you want to get started and work ahead this week, you're welcome to do so. Again, 3 attempts to take it. They're mostly multiple choice. You can use your books, notes, you can work with a classmate. Those quizzes should take about 20 to 40 minutes to complete, 30 points each. Participation would be for your discussion board points. So there's weekly discussion board posts that you will be expected to do. They're 5 points each. And I do occasionally post extra credit. If it's available, it will be available on your ROC page along with your other assignments. Throughout the course, there will be 910 points available. That's how this breaks down. Grades, no plus or minus, so 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, and so on. And I do not round grades. So if at the end of the semester you end up with a 79.9, then your grade would be a C for the course. So please keep that in mind. If extra credits pop up and you're close, it would be to your benefit to do those extra credit activities. If you have any issues with me, please try to address it with me first. If we can't resolve it, then this is your contact. You're going to contact your dean, Barb Golden, and there's her contact information. Since this is an online class, the class will never be canceled. But again, if you're going to be out of town or you need to work ahead or whatever, you can work at it at your pace. But everything that's posted for that week will be due by 10 o'clock on Sunday. The very last page of the syllabus is the page that's going to be most beneficial to you to keep handy. This has all of your deadlines, what's due each week. So this first week, you're going to go over Unit 1. You're going to take the Unit 1 quiz. You're going to submit your signed syllabus, and you're going to post to the discussion board by 10 o'clock on Sunday. Next week, you're going to do Unit 2 quiz, and the discussion board, and so on. So keep this handy. This is what we are doing the entire semester, and I plan to follow this to a T. If you have any questions throughout the semester, please reach out to me. Call, text, email. You could also post again on that question and answer section. That is very beneficial for you and your classmates. So I hope you have a great semester. Please let me know if you need anything.